Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I want you to try and guess what this might be. I know it might be hard for you, but yes, if you guessed fishing rod, that is correct. I don't even know what this is going to require. I might need like a machete or something. I don't even think this is going to get through it. Let me put that away before I stab myself. Oh wow. No. Mom. So the actual package that what I thought the last thing was has arrived. Now, this one is much more obvious, much more fishing rod sized. This is what it should have looked like. I don't know why I thought the other one was a fishing rod, but I didn't know anyone had ordered anything other than the fishing rod that would be that length. But anyways, let's get it opening it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Got our sticker there. Oh my. Just looking at it already, look at that. That is a good looking fishing rod right there. Oh my. Look at that. Got the Emperor. Has a moderate action. And it's supposed to change color depending on what lighting it in. But oh my goodness. So this is why they call it the Emperor. It's got this crown here. I absolutely love this rod. everything about it just looks amazing. So this is, I'm not sure if they released a new model Emperor, but basically this is the old model, and they were having a closeout sale, so they were having them 50% off. And I've been wanting this rod anyways, so what better time? One thing that you get with this rod, as opposed to the ones that I already have, like the Defender, it has the improved guides. These are Fuji guides, as opposed to whatever the like lower model guides are. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the reel that I'm going to put on this. That will be a separate video because I'm probably going to wait for that to go on sale as well. But for now, I have this rod. I'm really excited to try it out whenever that reel will happen. But for now, just gonna be admiring this rod. Thank you for watching, and hopefully there'll be more to come with this in the future.